Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a window that makes noises guys, going up and down, it's loud, makes noises, it's popping, okay, it's squeaking, we'll explain guys how we can fix that, okay, because if you don't guys, what you're going to end up buying is a brand new window regulator, and sometimes those things can be expensive guys, especially if you live in a place where you cannot get them, or even on newer models guys, and some vehicles they're just super expensive. So by doing what we're going to do today guys, you're going to actually give your window regulator more life, it's going to last longer, and you don't need to replace it. So once you guys hear windows start making noises up and down guys, we're going to explain what needs to be done. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. And why we do all that? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Now if you need any parts for your car guys, or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can find anything guys for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So what do you need to do guys? You need to remove your door panel. Okay, door panel looks like that. Usually guys you may have a couple screws and you have quite a few clips, so you need to pop it loose after you remove all the screws, get a panel remover tool, pry it. Okay, not very complicated, but we cannot show it because most of the cars will be different. Now what we'll do here guys, okay, we're going to remove the insulation. You may have insulation in order to get to the window regulator. Now let's explain what is causing that now guys, quick. Right here we have duct tape placed because we're going to unhook the window motor, but sometimes guys you may get dirt or dust stuck in the rails, okay, in the rails right here, and you need to clean that as well. And we're going to show you now in a little bit how we're going to do that. It could be, okay, on that weather strip there as well. If you get dirt and dust, it can actually even scratch your window, and it will make your window not go down up and down really easy, and it can actually guys put stress on the regulator and goes bad. But if you guys hear any noises guys, what I recommend is to go ahead and disconnect the window from the regulator, remove the regulator, and we'll show you how to clean it and lubricate it. Now you have two different kinds of window system most of the times. One could be a clip that you push on each side and you release the window, or one in the middle. Ours, we just have two bolts that hold the window to the regulator. You just get them loose a little bit, okay, like that. And then guys, we're going to remove, we have 5 bolts for the window regulator. Some cars may differ a little bit, but the concept pretty much applies to most cars guys. Perfect. Now we have 2 on top. And the window regulator will come out. Now we need to disconnect our wire for the window motor. Go ahead, pull it out, perfect, and we need to get the regulator out. Now usually they come through a small hole in the door, so you just need to work around it, find which way it comes out without damaging anything. Okay, and right here, that's where the window attaches to the regulator. Remember the 2 bolts that I told you we got loose? Sometimes you may have a clip that you need to push in to release the window. In our case, it's just 2 bolts. Okay, and when you get it tight, okay, the window is being held like that. So, okay, this is it guys. Now, right here, check out guys on the back side of the regulator, okay, we're going to actually go ahead and remove the window motor. Usually it attaches to the regulator by 3 screws guys, or bolts. Perfect. Now, what could go wrong here guys? If you start hearing noises, squeaking, anything like that guys, okay, it could be because of having dirt, dust, or not lubricated cables that go through this wheel, okay, right here, the wheel right there. And then we're talking, okay, from here it goes down to right there. We have another wheel, the window goes up and down here, okay, that's the mechanism. So you need to clean all that to make sure you don't have any, okay, any dust at all guys. Any dust, and make sure you don't have any rocks, anything like that, and just apply grease, thin amount of grease where window moves up and down. But before you lubricate it, make sure that everything's clean. Wipe it if you need to. Okay, apply a little bit on each of the rolls. okay, each of those wheels, because they're turning all the time and you want the cable to be lubricated as well. So very important, guys, to clean it. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side, and if you lubricate yours and clean them, guys, often, what will happen, actually, you will not have dust build up and they will not run dry, so you will extend the life of your window regulator. If you guys suspect a noise and something and the window just all of a sudden quits going up and down, do not try to go more. Why? Because most of the times, if you do not break it, you can fix it. And okay, let me just turn the light because it's trying to die on me. And right here now, okay, that's the wheel right here, guys, that you can actually disconnect, and sometimes it will jump a canal, so you will need to readjust it. And if you need to readjust it, you can actually get the cables loose and rewind them. That way, guys, you're not going to cause any damage. So very important to apply grease there as well, some grease where it goes in the bushings here. And again, if it's dirty, clean it before you apply grease, guys. You need to wipe everything really good. But pretty much, guys, that will extend the life of your window regulator quite a bit. Now, if you need to clean the rails where the window goes up and down, you have rails in the door, those could be dirty. And now, guys, you can do that as well. And most cars now, on the front window especially, you can remove the window now, super easy, remove the tape, get it in an angle, pull it out, and you can clean all the rails, make sure that everything's good. And from that point on, guys, that will be it, and you will be able to put everything together. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.